Here are my top 3 financial metrics. Let's talk about it. For y'all that don't know, financial metrics are used to determine how healthy a company is and how much money they're actually making. For number one, I got free cash flow. Free cash flow is the actual hard cash that's left over after you pay your operations and your necessary investments. I look for companies that specifically have been improving their free cash flow for the past 5 years, and I like this because it tells me that a company has a lot more capital to invest into future investments to make a company more valuable. Second, I look into operating income. Operating income is your revenue minus your operating costs. So it pretty much shows how much your company as a core is making without considering interest and taxes. I love operating income because it tells you exactly if the business model is actually working. When I'm looking into companies, I typically look for 5 years of improving operating income so that way I know that the business model is proven and it's improving every single year. Last but not least, we have net income. Now, net income is revenue minus all expenses, including taxes, interest, all that. And it tells me exactly how much money is left over for us as shareholders. Just like free cash flow and operating income, I typically look for a company that's been improving in net income for the past 5 years. So that way I know that when I hold this share, it's going to keep improving every single year in value. Now, these financial metrics aren't solely used to figure out how valuable a company is. They're actually used as ingredients to create things called valuation models, which are then used to determine how valuable a company is. Examples of valuation models are things like price to earnings ratio, discounted cash flow, and EBITDA. If y'all want me to teach y'all what exactly those are or what they mean, let me know in the comments. It's D-Wall, I'm out of here.